As a aerospace manufacturing facility, we have quite few of audit like GE Aerospace or Rolls-Royce or SpaceX or like KHI Japan. All these customers, they come and they not only want to look at the process and product, but also look at the safety, quality and maintenance. So when it comes to maintenance, it is very easy for us through the dashboard. We can show our KPI and how we are faring in our KPIs, how we have evolved over the years and how our metrics are getting better and better. That takes very little time and customer can appreciate and understand. Few of the audits I have got the comment from the customer like you are one of the best maintenance organization we have come across. So that was not possible without eMaint to have them show in very little time like how we are doing facility wise.
One of the things, we actually had our ISO 9100 audit maybe 2 weeks ago. So I had to sit down with the auditor and he went through our PM system and everything. And one of the first things he looked at was what's completion. While I kind of break it down a little bit different, I don't just have 80% like Ron John does. So we have it broken up. I have 2 charts. One of them is by department year to date, and one chart is just monthly total year to date. We were able to show this auditor immediately, show him this table that says, okay, for January, this is our total closed PMs. They were closed on time. PMs that were closed, they were closed a little late, but they were still taken care of. And then there's PMs that are open but not yet late, and then PMs that are open and still late. He was really impressed with that. Especially we did explain to him like it's still kind of new to us, so we're still onboarding everybody and onboarding the PM process. But he was very impressed with that. It's also made it easier to talk to the auditors as well. Go into eMaint, pull up your PM dashboard, and you're good to go.